Viru, I heard that you are giving two exclusive online workshops for free every month to your Instagram and YouTube followers.
Yeah, see, I want to provide some extra layer of value exclusively to my followers. I have observed a lot of accounts, they're posting consistently, they're providing value, but I want to be a step ahead of every one of them. So that is the reason I am providing two exclusive live workshops every month for absolutely free for my followers.
On what topics the workshops will be?
See, my expertise is into digital marketing. I'm a digital marketing person. So I provide value on topics like digital marketing, how to grow your business with digital marketing, how especially you can earn money with digital marketing and digital marketing modules. It will revolve around this.
How someone like me can join these workshops?
Very simple. Just go to my profile and follow me. It's more than enough. There will be a link in my bio. Click on it. You will find exclusive workshops registrations. Go ahead and register yourself.
When will it happen? Every month.
So this will happen on every second and fourth Saturday of every month. Before that, I will come live and post links everywhere on my profile. Do not worry, I'll come live and I'll announce this and you can pick the topic. I'm going to train you on that exclusively for free. Just go to my profile and follow me. That's enough. It's completely free for you.